Guys, welcome to Jay's workshop. Today we're changing the engine mount on a Toyota Estima 2.2. So as you can see, the old one is corroded. It's completely ripped off in there. I can put my finger in there. It's completely broken. So this is the new part we're going to be replacing it with. So first we need to take off this nut over here, and there's one at the back just there. That one there. Okay, so you need a 14mm spanner. To open this. Okay, once it's loosened up, we leave it like that. Now we'll go for the back one. I'm gonna have to use a socket on that, it's too tight. So I had to use a breaker bar with a 14mm socket at the end just to crack the top one because it was really tight. But now I'm just gonna loosen it off with a spanner ratchet. And same over here. Alright, the rest should hopefully just come off with hand. Like so. So don't mix them up, that's for the top. And this one, yeah. This one is loosening a little bit more. It's gonna come out like so. Oh, I think we're gonna have to move this thing out of the way. Yeah. Otherwise this bolt's not gonna come out. Yeah, we're gonna have to move this power steering. I think it just pops up. Just one second. What I had to do is remove the two 10mm nuts from here, which are these two. So then we can move this reservoir. Even still, it doesn't want to move. What's going on? Ah, yeah, there you go. So it's out of the way a little bit. Oh, we have to move one more from the back over here. Can you see? So I have to actually take out 3 bolts altogether. So that's 1, 2, and 1 in the back. Now this thing's loose. So now that it's loose, we can move it out of the way and simply pull out this nut. Oh, by the way, because this is a engine sort of tilt mount, should we call it, so you don't need to balance the engine underneath with a jack or anything. It's just, look, you can see this, look at that, look at this, look, it's just completely falling apart. That is completely finished. So I'm going to put the new part in now. So just simply put the, I'm going to put the new part in like so. Just so you slide the back in first, and then you have to try and line this up to go there, something like that, with the holes. And then this, remember, this is a longer bolt, so it goes in here. Right, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to line this up with my hand and then I'll show you after. So I've lined the mount up, I put the screw in with my hand and I've hand tightened it. Same with the back one over here. I don't know if you can see it, I've done it with my hand. You have to use your right hand to adjust the mount and the left hand to get the bolt into the right place. So now I'm just gonna fully tighten these up as this is loose, so I have better access, and then I'm gonna put these 3 nuts back on after. Right guys, so it's all complete now. It's got a brand new mount in there, engine mount, upper engine mount, sorry. So that bolt's nice and tight. I tightened it off with the torque wrench, same with this. And I put these 3 bolts back in because they were in the way for this bolt. I couldn't get into it, but it's all done now, nice and tight. Engine not shaking anymore. As you can see, the old one is just completely sheared off. It's finished. It's just in pieces. So yeah, hope you like the video guys. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.